Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Angeles Public School Bagpat online economics classes. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear student, today we will discuss chapter number 3, theory of demand, which is from microeconomics book. In this chapter today we will discuss meaning of demand function. See, what is the definition of demand function? Demand function. It shows the functional relationship functional relationship between demand for a commodity and factors affecting it. This is the definition of demand function. It shows the functional relationship, means functional relationship. Functional relationship may be positive or negative. Functional relationship may be positive or negative. Later we will discuss between demand for a commodity and factors affecting it. This is the definition of demand function. And demand function has two types. Demand function has two types. See, first type is individual demand function. Individual demand function. See, what is the definition of individual demand function? See, how will you make the definition of individual demand function? See, listen, see here. Individual demand function shows the functional relationship between demand, means between, because we are talking about individual demand function, means individual demand. So you can say here, it shows the functional relationship between individual demand for a commodity and factors affecting it. Again I am repeating, it shows the functional relationship between individual demand for a commodity and factors affecting it. Now this is the definition of individual demand function, and symbolically we can express the demand function into this form. See here, dx is equal to f px pr cy t ex. This is the individual demand function. This is the individual demand function. See here, individual demand function shows the functional, f means functional relationship between demand for a commodity and factors affecting, means these are factors affecting it means affecting demand of x commodity. See, I am taking here demand of x commodity. What is dx? Demand of x, or you can say given commodity. F means functional relationship. Px means price of x, or you can say given commodity. PR means price of related goods. PR means price of related goods. CY means income of income of consumer. T means taste and preferences. Taste and preferences. EX means expectation about future price. Expectation about future price. So, my dear students, see here means this demand means demand of X commodity. Demand of X commodity depends on these factors. Depends on these factors means demand of X commodity. Demand of X commodity depends on these factors. Depends on these factors. We can say that these factors can affect these factors can affect demand of X commodity. Means demand of X commodity is a dependent variable. Means demand of X commodity is dependent and these factors are independent. These factors are independent. Means again I am repeating, demand this demand is a dependent, means this demand is dependent and these factors are independent. I hope all of you have understood individual demand function. What is the definition of individual demand function? Individual demand function shows the functional relationship between individual demand. You will write here individual demand for a commodity and factors affecting it. Factors means these factors. Factors means these factors affecting it. Affecting it means demand of X commodity and demand for a commodity means demand of X commodity. And I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note it down. See after this. Next, market demand function. What is the definition of market demand function? See here, market demand function shows the functional relationship between, we are talking about market demand, so you will write here market demand, relationship between market demand for a commodity and factors affecting it. Suppose individual demand function is here, you will write here individual demand. Suppose market demand function is here, you will write here market demand and all will remain same. I hope all of you have understood. And what is the market demand function? See, symbolically we can express market demand function into this form. See, dx is equal to f px pr cy t ex P0 SW dy. dy. See, again dx means demand of X commodity. Demand of X, or you can say given commodity. Given commodity. F means functional relationship. Functional relationship. Px means again price of X, or you can write here given commodity. PR means price of related goods. See, after this we will discuss what is price of given commodity, price of related goods, price, income of consumer, taste and preferences, Later we will discuss. See, CY, income of consumer. Income of consumer. After this, T, taste and preferences. EX means expectation about future price. Next, PO means population. SW means season and weather. DY means distribution of income. Distribution of income. See, this is the market demand function. This is the market demand function. Means demand of X commodity. Demand of X commodity depends on these factors. Depends on these factors. Means again demand of X commodity is a dependent. Means is a dependent variable, and all factors are independent variable. Independent variable. I hope all of you have understood. After this, we will discuss individual demand function in a deeply way, and after this, we will discuss market demand function in a deeply way. See, now please pause the video and note it down. See, question is here. Explain the determinants or factors of individual demand. Explain the determinants or factors of individual demand. As you know that, see here, what is individual demand function? Dx is equal to F Px Pr Cy T Ex. I hope it is clear. See, first of all, try to understand. See, demand of given commodity. Demand of given commodity. What does it mean? Demand of given commodity. What does it mean? Suppose if I am saying here demand of tea. Demand of tea. Demand of tea means we are talking about demand of tea. Demand of tea means tea good. Tea good will be considered. You can say tea will be considered as a given commodity. Tea will be considered as a given commodity. Suppose if I am saying here demand of tea. Demand of tea means demand of tea is also known as demand of given commodity. Demand of given commodity. Suppose I am saying here demand of clothes. Demand of clothes means clothes will be considered. Clothes will be considered as a given commodity. Means clothes will be considered as a given commodities. I hope all of you have understood what is the meaning of demand of given commodity. Given commodity means you can say given, you will use given commodity for